Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure power of attorney with Nolo, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Nolo website. Navigate to the section dedicated to power of attorney forms. Choose the specific type of power of attorney you need. Click on the selected form to view the details. Review the information provided about the form. Ensure that you understand its purpose and the authority it grants. Once ready, select the option to purchase or access the form. Follow the instructions to create an account if required. After logging in, download the power of attorney form. Open the downloaded file on your device. Carefully read through the document to familiarize yourself with its sections. Start by filling in your personal information at the top of the form. Next, provide the name and details of the agent you are appointing. Specify the powers you are granting to your agent. If applicable, include any limitations to those powers. Review the effective date of the power of attorney. Consider whether you want this document to be durable in case of incapacity. Make sure to sign the document where indicated. Have your signature notarized if your state requires it. After notarization, provide copies to your agent and any relevant institutions. Keep the original document in a safe place for future reference. Periodically review the document to ensure it still meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.